basically, as I was saying, that was yesterday's night when we met. I told you that we have designed some special place for some people, especially there are some people that are very dear to me who lives in abroad, and some also hails right from the corridors of Ghana. So as you can see, I told you that I have specifically designed some executive rooms for my visitors. So this is actually one of the room that I have designed. So this is a room that is specifically designed for the queens. You know very well that we have queen mothers in Zenith of Heaven's ministry. So basically, when these queens actually pays me a visit, as I told you, these are some of the places that I will actually bring them. So as you can see, this is our golden bed, golden dressing mirror and wardrobe. And as you can see, basically this is the seat that you are supposed to tap or pin your buttocks and then have yourself dressed. So as I was telling you, it's not something that I was actually trying to throw dust into people's eyes. Indeed, as you can see, this is what we call luxury, pure luxury. It is meant for people at the upper echelon. You must understand that. So as you can see, you can see for yourself. This is your wardrobe in case when you come and you have something special. You can just put it in there, and this is it. You enjoy yourself. So, as I told you, there's nothing that we're actually faking. This is a real thing. We've not gone to borrow anything. I really love my people, and as you can see, a nice bed with a very nice foam. It's not an ordinary foam. This is a very soft one, not the hard one as you people will be using. This is an extraordinary special foam. As you can see, the bird side, once you have something in there, you can as well drop it so that in case of anything. So I really have my people at heart. This is specially designed for the queens out there. Now let's check out the bathhouse that actually suits this particular room. Now, this is the bathhouse, as you can see. This is the bathhouse that suits this particular bedroom that I've actually showed you. So let's enter the bathhouse to check things out, as you can see. So this is the bathhouse that actually suits the bedroom that I was talking about. So as you can see, you have your seats over here. So in the morning you enjoy yourself. And now this is it. As you can see, a very nice tap, beautiful one. Now, when you come here, it is this tap actually comes in two forms. Now we have the cold side and then the hot side. So if you want the cold side, then you switch to this side. If you want the hot side, then you switch to this side. It is everywhere, as you can see. So that is how it is. Now, this is a very nice glass with a very nice marble. This is a scented marble, very nice one. This is what we call architectural masterpiece, fully furnished. So once you pay a visit to the Gracia, it's not that we don't basically have any place for you people. This is specially designed. So as you can see, now the bathhouse is so big to an extent where you see from here right to this place. So just imagine. So the shower too, as you can see, let's see if as you can see, you can enjoy yourself. Or probably this one. one too, it comes with this fruit. Another one in there as well. Then you can actually use this one. You can actually use this one too. So, which one do you basically prefer? And the interesting aspect of it is that when you look at this particular room, you will never see any water heater over here that has been installed in the room. You're not going to see that over here. But you see, we have a central water heater that has been installed up there. So it actually dispenses water through all this powerful, magnificent edifice. Wherever that you are, if you are in the kitchen, in your room, if you want hot water, you just basically have to regulate it right from here. If you want your hot water, you regulate it right from here. Once you turn it to this side, hot water will flow from all corners of the house. So basically, as you can see, you enjoy life, enjoy it well. These are some of the things that I have built personally. God bless you and bless you so much.